Hare Krishna. Narrating the pastime of Jagannath appearance Leela, King Indradyumna of Sun dynasty was a very great devotee of Lord Vishnu. Even though he had a lots of materialistic happiness, he was very anxious to see the Lord face to face. One day, a pilgrim informed about Neelamadhava on Nilachal Hills, and Neelamadhava is the incarnation of Lord Vishnu. So King Indradyumna was very happy, and he sent his chief priest Vidyapati to in the search of Neelamadhava. So Vidyapati searched for the deity day and night, and one day he was accommodated in Vishwavasu's home. Vishwavasu was a tribal chief, and Vishwavasu had a very beautiful daughter Lalita. In later days, Vidyapati was married to Lalita. So Vishwavasu was worshipping Neelamadhava secretly, and whenever he used to worship Lord and come back to home, a fragrance aroma was emanating from his body. Vidyapati inquired about this routine of Vishwavasu with his wife. So Lalita told all the details about Neelamadhava to Vidyapati. Vidyapati was very blissful after listening about Neelamadhava and expressed his feelings to take a darshan of Neelamadhava. So, father-in-law took him blindfolded to take the darshan of Neelamadhava, and but Vidyapati took a handful of mustard seeds to drop all along the way, so that he can later inform this to king. So Vidyapati took the darshan of Neelamadhava. Later, he told this deity, place of the deity to Indradyumna Maharaj. So Indradyumna Maharaj was very happy and sent his soldiers to follow the mustard seeds. And unfortunately, Neelamadhava deity was disappeared there. And king was very unhappy about it, and he imprisoned Vishwavasu, thinking that Vishwavasu has eaten the deity. But Neelamadhava appeared in Indradyumna's dream and asked Bhaktavatsala to save his devotee Vishwavasu. He said that it was his Leela to disappear as Neelamadhava. Later, he would be giving darshan as Jagannath to everyone. So Indradyumna was very happy, and also Neelamadhava told that in the dream he told that to build a very good temple on Nilachal hills. Indradyumna, according to the order of Lord, built a temple, and he wanted Lord Brahma to install the concrete. So he went to Lord Brahma's abode and requested to install the concrete, and Lord Brahma also agreed to it. And later, in King Indradyumna Maharaj's dream, again came Lord Jagannath, and he said he would be appearing as Daru Brahma, the wooden log formed in the ocean, and with that wooden log, Jagannath deity should be sculpted. So King Indradyumna was very happy, and the same way there was a wooden log floating in the ocean, and Vidyapati and Vishwabasu carried that in the golden chariot, and the king called all great sculptors to sculpt it. But soon after they touched the wooden log, the tools used to scatter. Later, an old Brahmin Vishwakarma came, and he said, like, I could sculpt the deities, but on one condition, that no one can see the what I am sculpting, and also 21 days no one should enter the room where I am sculpting. So king agreed to it, and after 14 days there was no sounds coming out from the room. So king was very anxious and opened the door, and he was very sad to see the deities unfinished, and he said like he was the offender of all this, because since he opened the door, the deities are unfinished and the sculptor has been disappeared. But later Narada Muni consoled him, saying that it is the happiest form of the Lord. So and he insisted king to install the deities in the temple. Now I'm narrating the Childhood Chariots Festival of Prabhupada. Prabhupada was very adventurous and spiritual from his childhood. Prabhupada wanted to build his own chariot and he wanted to place Lord Jagannath and celebrate Ratha Yatra within his home and neighborhood. So one day he expressed this desire to his father. So his father wanted to fulfill the son's desire, and they went to the carpenter, but they couldn't afford the chariot afford for the chariot. So Prabhupada started crying. On the way, they met a Bengali lady, and Bengali lady, she said like she would be giving a chariot to Prabhupada. So Prabhupada was very happy. They bought that chariot and they decorated it well, and it was a very fit, proper size, and they placed Lord Jagannath and their neighbors and his mother. Everyone offered uh, prasadam, and they distributed the prasadam and happily celebrated the Rath Yatra festival. This year, we have got an opportunity to make our own chariot and invite Jagannath to our home. We are very happy about it. We have gathered, we use some cardboard and decoration items to make a chariot, and we are trying to replicate the Jagannath Puri chariot. So, hopefully, and we are planning some boga for the Lord. Thanks for this opportunity. Hare Krishna.